one place value. In the last video we have studied how to form the smallest and largest number. Now in this video we are going to study rounding of numbers nearest to 10, 100 or 1000. What is the rounding of numbers? Rounding of numbers means what? When we calculate the value of a number, the value is less than that number or more than that number. Means it's nearest to sometime 10 or it's 100 or it's 1000, or it is also called the approximately or estimated value of the given number. It is nearest to 10, it's 100, it's nearest to 100, or it will be nearest to 1000. So why the rounding of number is important? See, while rounding numbers we get the less, sometimes we get the less value or sometimes we get the more value. It's not an accurate value. Now we often hear the some news in the newspaper that if there is something, if any accident has take place in, you will hear the news about 20 of the people injured, but it is not exactly 20, it may be the 18, 17. Now this 18 or 70, this number is nearest to which 10? It's nearest to 20. So we approximately it is said is 20. Same like in 100. For example, if you get 90%, 92% in a 92% in a not 92, if you get 87% in any exam, or if your relative asks you how many percentage you get, sometimes you do not say like that it's 87, you approximately you say to the next 10, that is a 90. So when we use this approximate value, it is called a rounding of numbers to its 100, 1000, 100, tens, 100 or 1000. So first we are going to study how to rounding of number nearest to tens. You know which are tens? Tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These are tens. So how to rounding a number nearest to 10, when we have to find that time what? So we have to check ones place of the given number. But you will understand how to estimate or how to rounding number nearest to 10 by this number line. On this number line, the numbers are given from 10 to 20. There are two tens. This is a 10 is a 110 and this is a 20. The two tens are there. So number from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. These numbers are given. See student, now in the middle between 10 to 20 there is a 15 number. 15 is in the middle. So this number which is in the middle, this number is called halfway number. We can call it's a halfway number. So when you are rounding nearest to number to 10, if the given number is less than, now here is a 10 to 20 given. So if number is less than 15, means it may be 11, 12, 13 or 14. These numbers are nearest to back 10, which is a 10. But if the numbers are from 15 to 20, for example number is given 70 and this 70 is nearest to which 10? 20. So the 17 is nearest to 20. If number is given 12, the 12 is nearest to which back 10? That is a 10. So 10, so we can say that this 12 is nearest to 10. So I hope that you understood by number line. Now, or if number is 15, for example, if number is given, number is 15, the 15 to 19, the numbers are nearest to 10, next 10, 20. So now we will see how to find exactly how to rounding number nearest to 10. So when we have to find number rounding nearest to 10, we have to take a ones place of given number. The first example, first number is given 13. The ones place of this 13 is a 3. If ones place of the digit is less than 5, it means it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to rounding nearest to back 10. Now back 10 before the 13, which is back 10, that is a 10. So 13 is nearest to 10. Now here is given 18. The ones place of this 18 is 8. Or if the ones place is like a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, these number are nearest to next 10. So which is the next 10? That is a next 10 after the 18 is a 20. So the 18 is nearest to 20. Now see this number 95. The ones place of this 95 is 5. If the number is 5 or more than, if the digit of the ones place is 5 or more than 5, the given number is rounding nearest to next 10, and next 10 after the 95, that is the 100. The ones place of the 56 is a 6, which is more than 5. So the 56 nearest to next 10. Next 10 after 56 is that is a 60. So the 56 nearest to which 10? It's a 60. Now this number is given 326. So we have to round it nearest to 10. So we have to check a 6 ones place of the given digit, given number. So one place digit of the given number is 6, which is more than 6. So here this 6 is nearest to 326, which is nearest to 330. So next 10 about 26 is here. So next 10 is 30. Now 3292 is given. So ones place of the 3292 is a 2, which is less than 5. Means so we have to take to the back 100, and this is a here back 10. So here 10 is, here is a 10 90. So back 10 is a 90. So number is 3290. Now 7273, this is the number given. So ones place of this number is 3, which is also less than 5. So here given 10s are 70. So there is a 3. So less than. So we have to take a back 10. So 70 is the back 10. So the number is formed 7270. And last example 244 is given. So ones place of the given number is 4, which is less than 4. So we have to rounding nearest to, here given 10s are 40. So back 10 is a 40. So the number is formed 240. So this way we have studied how to find rounding the numbers nearest to 10. And when we have to find rounding nearest to 10, we have to check a ones place digit of the given number. If the ones place digit of the given number is 0, 1, 2, 4, we have to rounding to back 10. And if the given digit of the ones place digit of the given number is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we have to rounding nearest to next 10. Okay, now how to rounding number nearest to 10 and nearest to 100. You know 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. These are the hundreds. So from 100 to 1000, these all numbers are 100, but between them the middle halfway number is a 500. So what we are going to study now, nearest to 100. So when we have to rounding number nearest to 100, we have to check a tens place of the given number, tens place digit of the given number. See here the number is given 124. In this given number 124, the tens place digit is a 2. If the tens place digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we have to rounding nearest to back 100. So back 100 to 124 is the 100. So this given number 124 is nearest to 100. Next given number is 395. So in the given example, the given number, the tens place digit is a 9. And if the tens place digit is a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we have to rounding nearest to next 100. Now given number is 300. So the given one tens place digit of this given number is a 9, so we have to rounding to next next 100, that is the 400. So this number 395 is nearest to 400. Next, given number is 5946 and tens place digit of this given number is 4, and as I told you 0 1 2 3 4 is we have to rounding nearest to next 100. Here is a 100 place is 9, so next 100 is a 9, so 5900. So this 5946 nearest to 5900. Next is a 832. So the tens place digit of this number is 3. If it is 1 0 1 2 3, rounding nearest to back 100. Back 100 is 800. So the 832 nearest to 800. Next, 19,250. So one tens place is 1. Tens place is a 1. So here is a 200 given. So when there is a 0 1 2 3 4, rounding to back 100, and back 100 is a 200. So the 19,200. Next example, 775. So tens place of this number is 7, which is more than 5 or more than 5. So rounding nearest to next 100. Here is given 700. So next 100 is a 800. So this 775 is nearest to 800. 625. Tens place digit is a 2, which is less than 5. So rounding nearest to back 100, and back 100 is a 600. So 625 is nearest to 600. See student. Now last example, 249. 249. Tens place digit is a 4, which is less than 5. So rounding nearest to back 100, and back 100 is a 200. So this way, I hope that you understood how to rounding the number nearest to 100 by checking the tens place. Tens place digit is 0 1 2 3 4, rounding nearest to back 100, and if it is 5 6 7 8 or 9, rounding nearest to next 100. Okay. Rounding numbers nearest to 1000. You know 1000 means 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. So rounding nearest to 1000, when we have to check, when we have to rounding nearest to 1000, we have to check the 100 place digit of the given number, and if the 100 place digit of the given number will be 0 1 2 3 4, we have to rounding nearest to back 1000, and if 100 place digit of the given number it will be 5 6 7 8 and 9, you have to rounding nearest to next 1000. So let's see some example. The first example, given number is 534. We have to rounding nearest to 1000, and when we are rounding nearest to 1000, we have to check the 100 place, 1 tens 100. So this is the 100 place digit, and 100 place digit is if more than 5 6 7 8 9, we have to rounding nearest to next 1000. So next 1000 after 500 is a 1000. So this 534 is nearest to 1000. Next 6895, 100 place digit is a 8. So we have to rounding nearest to next 1000. Here are the 6000. So next 1000 is a 7000. So 6895 is nearest to 7000. Next 23,435. So we have to check the 100 place digit, that is a 4. So 4 we have to rounding nearest to back 1000. So back here thousands are 3. So back 1000 is 3 only. So this number 23,436 is nearest to 23,000. Next 8,525. The 100 place digit we have to check, that is 5. So we have to rounding nearest to next 1000. Here are the 8,000. So next 1000 is a 9,000. So this number 8,525 nearest to 9,000. Next 25,739. So we have to take the 100 place digit, that is a 7. So we here 1000 given 5, here is a 7. So we have to round in nearest to next 1000. Next 1000 is a 6. So the answer is 26,000. 26,000. So 25,739 is nearest to 26,000. Next 7,329. So 100 place is a 3. So we have to round it nearest to back 1000, and the given 1000 is 7,000. So 7,329 is nearest to 7,000. Next 45,285. So the 100 place is 2. So we have to round it nearest to back 100, and back 100 is that 5 only. So 45,000. And last example 35,895. Check the 100 place 8. So we have to round it nearest to next 1000. Here is the 5,000. So next 1000 is a 6,000, means 30,000 plus 6,000, 36,000. So 35,895 is nearest to 36,000. So this way we have studied how to rounding the number nearest to 10. We have to check a ones place. If rounding nearest to 100, we have to check a tens place. If when we are rounding nearest to 1000, we have to check a 100 place. If the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to rounding nearest to next 10, next 100, back 10, back 100 or back 1000. And if the number of the ones place, tens place and 100 place are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have to round it nearest to next 10, next 100 and next 1000. So this way we have studied how to rounding of number nearest to 10, 100 or 1000. I hope that you will have understood. Now I will send your homework by PDF. Thank you very much.